Hi guys. Bo. Hi Avon. Hi Smile. You too. What was that? Ba't gumagano? Limitado. Hello. Ba't gumaganon? Loko. Hello guys. Sidekick. Ito na mabasa yung comment. Ito talaga. Thank you H. Hello. Good morning guys. Hi Ken Chicks. Ano ba ito? Ba't gumagano? Ma! Hello, Hidden. Hello, Kashwin. Ano ba? Ito naman. Yes, lang. Hi, Kevin. Thank you for stopping. Hello, guys. Nakatasing ako. Parang warning ka po. Hello, how are you? Hi, Kashwin. Thank you, Sidekick. Thank you. I'm fine, guys. I'm fine. I'm good. How about y'all? Are you okay? Ooh, cloud strike. Good morning po. Hi, Dom. Mr. Eugene. Hi, Ken. So, I'm gonna just, wala kasi yung charger, guys. Hello, Jack. What is this? Is it double? Hey, tayo. Ano bang pangalan nito? William. Hello, best friend? Well, hello, guys. Ito ba yung nagbago? Ano ba yun? Senpai, hello. Hello, Wrestling. Ay. So, what will I Hello, good luck to your kota this month. Thank you po. Hello, GJ. ID number. Hello, Kami. Guerrero. Ibo, Tops. Igelito. Hello, Chris. Isa hello. Papa Dark. Mr. Greg. Hello, guys. Ano bang tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko. Hello, Azan. Nandyan ka lang. Hello, Eric. Babadali, kailangan ka newborn. You. Thank you, Cashpoon. IRL. Namo. Sorry. Hello, RB. Biluhan na ako. I'm lying to morning. It's a very nice. Hi, June. Hala! Oo nga, ito nga yun.